In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock your photos or photo albums on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, and then let's say we want to lock some of our photos. So first off, we need to move those photos to the hidden album. So first off, we need to hide it from our recents. To do that, just hold down your finger at some photo and then tap at hide. That will move it to hidden album. If you want to move multiple photos at once, you can first off select them, then tap right here, and then tap at hide, and in the same way we can hide multiple photos at once. What's next? If we go to our albums and scroll down to the very bottom, we can find the hidden album here, and now if I tap at hidden album, it will show me all my hidden photos. And the only album that we can lock actually is hidden album. To lock it with our Face ID, we need to go to settings. Let me do it from the scratch. We need to open up settings, then just scroll down until you find photos. Scroll down again, and all we have to do is just turn on the option which is called Use Face ID. If I tap on it and go back to photos, now we can notice that the lock icon is showing next to hidden and recently deleted albums, and if I'll try to open it up, you can see Face ID is required to get access to that album now. So in that way you can lock this album with Face ID. And also in settings you can also turn off the option which is called Show Hidden Album. I can tap on it to turn it off, and if we go back to photos, we can notice that hidden album is no longer showing here. That's how you can easily lock photos and album on your iPhone.